Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Now, in our previous class, we have already started. Means previous classes we have already started resources, and I just want to recall the lesson because this week this is first class. So just a recall of the lesson what we have understood in this. So I hope you have read and come the lesson. Can anybody tell me the definition of resources? What do you mean by the word resources? In your own words, you can define it. Define in your own words. What do you mean by resources?
Resources that made by nature and made.
So what do you mean by word resources? What is resources?
Ma'am, resources are things that
Things that
fulfill our
satisfy
needs.
our need are called resources.
Yes, things that satisfy that are used to satisfy your needs are the resources. Then we have seen about it. Types of resources. Sorry. Important factors. Yes. Which are the two important factors which change substance into resource? Two important
Technology
factors.
and time.
Value.
Technology and time. How does technology and time are important factors? How do they help in changing the
टेक्नोलॉजी
huh?
टेक्नोलॉजी हमें हेल्प करती है हमारा काम इजी बनाने के लिए.
Yes, good. Anything else? And due to the change of the time, due to the span of time also, that particular object, as we have seen, that might be not of use today, but in future that can make be very useful, and it can fulfill your needs. So time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resource. And are people also be considered as resource? Are people also
Yes,
ma'am.
because they have knowledge and intelligence.
very good? Yes, people are also very important resource. Why? Because they have ideas, knowledge, and due to their ideas, knowledge, and they had made many inventions and discoveries, and that is why they had created many more resources, and that is why people also are considered as resource. Now, types of resource. Can anybody tell me the types of resources?
Human
Ma'am, natural resource, human-made resource, and human resource.
Types of resource. First is
Natural resource.
Natural resource.
natural resource. Anybody can define natural resource? What do you mean by natural resource?
resources
Resources
are
that
come
can be
from
drawn
nature.
from
with
nature.
no value are called natural resources.
Yes. Natural resource, as the word itself indicates, that resources which are present in nature and without making much changes in that particular substance or the natural environment, we make uh, use of that natural thing, that is called as natural resource. And if we want the use of natural resource in best possible way, then we can use our tools and new technologies also, uh, so as to fulfill our daily requirements, our needs with these natural resources in the best possible way. Now these natural resources are again subdivided into two. These natural resources are again are divided into two, subdivided into
Into two parts, renewable and non-renewable.
very good, renewable and non-renewable
Non-
resource. So these natural resources again are renewable and non-renewable resources, and renewable resources are those resources which
which can be
Which are not
renewed
limited,
quickly.
and we can
yes,
get
which can be
anytime.
yes, which can be renewed uh, very quickly, which we can get very quickly in the coming future. जैसे अभी थोड़ा सा कम हुआ तो जल्दी ही वो वापस से अपने आप से बन जाते हैं. And what are non-renewable resources?
Ma'am,
Resources that
things
take
which are
thousands of
limited and
years
takes a
to
longer time to reproduce.
Yes, as
establish.
renewable resources are अनलिमिटेड इन नेचर, उनका कोई लिमिट नहीं है, नेचर में बहुत सारा स्टॉक है प्रेजेंट, बट नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज दे आर लिमिटेड इन
Limited.
स्टॉक। हाँ, बहुत लिमिटेड स्टॉक पे हैं वो। और व्हाट हैपेंस वंस these stocks get exhausted, अगर एक समय वो खत्म हो जाता है, then it takes much time to get renewed or replenished, वापस आने में, and that we can say the lifespan more than the lifespan of a human being। एक human being की जो लाइफ स्पैन होती है, एक पर्टिकुलर ईयर्स होते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिविंग के, उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा टाइम लगता है इन नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज को वापस रिकवर करने में। क्लियर? Now, human-made
Yes,
resources.
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
understood human-made resources. What are human-made resources?
Resources that are made by
human
human
with
resources.
the help of natural resources.
Yes, the things which are made
made
by
from human
human
with
beings
the help
Human.
of
with the
Natural
help of
resources.
natural resources. Very good, very good. That means everybody is revising the lesson. Good. So you know the what are human-made resources. That human resources also we have understood clearly. What are human resources?
Ma'am, human resources are made by humans without any help
No,
of
no,
natural
human
resources.
resources, human made resources तो human beings से बना हुआ चीज है, and human resources means human beings,
In which human beings use their own intelligence.
more resources
yes,
when they have the
Own
knowledge
knowledge and own skills.
human beings themselves are the type of resources. In human resources, human beings themselves are the resources, because with the use of their knowledge, with the use of their skills means ability to make new resources, to create new resources, and with the help of technology, they can create many more other resources. That is why
and
they are also called as, people are called as human resources। ह्यूमन मेड और ह्यूमन दोनों में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है। देखिए, ध्यान से समझेंगे आप तो समझ में आएगा। ह्यूमन मेड मीन्स ह्यूमन बींग्स से बने हुए, लाइक रोड्स, बिल्डिंग्स एंड ब्रिजेस एंड ऑल, एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स देमसेल्व्स आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज। ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज कौन है?
Ma'am, human
ह्यूमन
resources meaning
knowledge or skills.
ह्यूमन पीपल खुद एक रिसोर्स हैं, बिकॉज with the help of their knowledge and skill and technology, they make many resources। Clear? Now coming to the conserving resources. Mona had a nightmare. Conserving, now what do you mean by the word first, conserving? Conserving का मतलब?
Saving.
Dream.
हाँ,
Saving. Saving.
वेरी गुड। सेविंग, और वी कैन से प्रोटेक्टिंग एक तरीके से, है ना, आर रिसोर्सेज। Now Mona has a nightmare. Nightmare means Mona has a dream. She dreamt that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees cut down. सारे trees कट कर दिए गए हैं और सारा पानी जो अर्थ पे जितना भी पानी है, that is dried up, वो सूखा हो गया है, सूख गया है। And there was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. Now nothing is there for their shade or for the drinking. People were suffering and roaming around desperately looking for food and shade. Now, what is Mona dreaming in his dream? She is seeing that there is no more trees, no more water present on the earth, and people are suffering and even roaming desperately. Desperately means in search of, इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं, किसकी सर्च में? फूड एंड शेड के सर्च में इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं। but she told her mother about the dream. Now whatever she had a dream, Mona is had a talk about this dream to his mother, that is Amma, and she is telling that Amma, can this really happen? Now what is really happened? uh, Mona is very much worried about his dream, that, and she asked Amma, she asked her mother that,
Yes, ma'am.
she asked mother कि क्या ये सचमुच ऐसा हो सकता है क्या, कि कभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि पूरी अर्थ पे पानी खत्म हो जाए या सारे तरीके से पेड़ पौधे खत्म हो जाए, एंड पीपल आर वेरी मच had a suffering and they are moving here and there for the search of food and shade. Yes, Amma replied. Amma is saying that mother is replying back to Mona that yes, this can happen. How this can happen? If we are not careful, that then even renewable resources can become very scarce, and non-renewable one can definitely get exhausted. Now Amma is replying that if we are not careful about the using of these resources, चाहे वो रिन्यूएबल हो और चाहे वो नॉन रिन्यूएबल हो, अगर दोनों रिसोर्सेज में हम केयरफुली यूज नहीं करेंगे, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, देन डेफिनेटली डे विल कम, देन when the people will not have these types of resources, even the renewable resources जो थोड़े समय से ही वापस हमें मिल जाते हैं अपने आप से, they will get scarce, उनकी कमी होने लग जाएगी. That as Mona has dreamt about the water and the trees, they are the natural resources और ये renew हो सकते हैं, they are renewable resources, but if we will use them carelessly, हम उसको अच्छे से यूज नहीं करेंगे, then they will become scarce on earth, कम हो जाएंगे, and the non renewable resources can definitely get exhausted, और जो non renewable resources है वो एक तरीके से खत्म ही हो जाएंगे. Exhausted means खत्म हो जाएंगे. What can we do about it? Raju asked. Lots replied Amma. अब राजू ने पूछा कि हम फिर क्या कैसे बचा सकते हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को. तो अम्मा बोलती है बहुत तरीके हैं. यूजिंग रिसोर्सेज केयरफुली and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Up, what is resource conservation? You can underline this definition. What is resource conservation? Resource conservation is the what? It is using of resource carefully. बहुत ध्यान से हमारे पास जो resources available है nature में, to use them carefully and also to give them time to get renew, और उनको एक तरीके से समय मिलना चाहिए ताकि वो वापस से हमारे लिए renew हो जाए, अपने आप से वापस से वो नेचर में प्रेजेंट हो जाए. तो that is called as resource conservation. Now balancing, again another definition is there, you can underline this also. Balancing the need to use resources, balancing the need to use the resources and also conserve them, और उनको बचा कर रखना for the future. किसके लिए बचा कर रखना? For the future use. That is called sustainable development. Another definition is given about the sustainable development. So now in this two paragraphs, so in this paragraph, two definitions are given about resource conservation and about sustainable development. Now first definition is about resource conservation. हाँ, resource conservation means हम कैसे अपने resources को बचा सकते हैं. So using resource carefully, अच्छे से ध्यान से हमें use करना है, and then also giving them time to get renew, उनको renew होने के लिए पूरा समय देना है. That is called as resource conservation. Then only we will conserve the resources. Second definition is about the sustainable development. What is the definition of sustainable development given here? Balancing the needs to use resources. एक तरीके से balance करना है use किसका use? Resources का, which are available in the nature, and also to conserve them for the future, और उनको अच्छे से संभाल कर रखना, protect करके रखना for the use of the future use. Then it is called as sustainable development. So in glossary also the definition is made clear. Sustainable development, you can underline this. What is sustainable development? Carefully using resources. Carefully using the resources, that means to use the resources very carefully, ध्यान से, so that besides meeting the requirement of the present, आज की हमारी requirement fulfill कर रहे हैं हम इन resources से, and also take care of the future generation, और उनको इस टाइप से यूज करना आज हम, ताकि आज हम उन अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल कर सकें आफ्टर द यूज ऑफ these resources. Plus we can also take care to protect these natural resources so that they can come in use for the future generation. जो हमारी जो future generation है उनके लिए भी ये काम में लिए जा सकें. So this is called as sustainable development. I hope the definition, both the definitions are clear. What is resource conservation? What is resource conservation? To use the
To use the
Balance.
Using
resources
resources carefully
carefully.
and giving them time to get
To use
yes,
resource
use
carefully.
to use the resources carefully, ध्यान से resources use करना, plus also giving them time to conserve or to get renewed. And what is sustainable development? To satisfy the needs of today as well as to conserve it for the future use. दूसरों future generation के लिए भी हम उनको protect करके preserve करके रखें. That is called as sustainable development. Therefore, there are many ways to conserve the resources. Resources conserve करने के लिए, protect करने के लिए, बचाने के लिए बहुत से तरीके हैं. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption. Now, each and every one of us can contribute in the conservation of resources. How we can contribute? By reducing consumption. Reducing consumption means जितना हमारे को जरूरत है उतना ही यूज करना, या उससे लिमिट कर देना कि हम इतना ज्यादा यूज नहीं करें. एंड रिसाइकलिंग एंड रीयूजिंग, दैट इज 3 R's. 3 R's, they are the 3 R's, that is reducing, recycling and reusing. By
Yes, yes.
contributing these three ways, by contributing by the 3 ways that हम reduce कर दें रिसोर्सेज का यूज करना, प्लस रिसाइकिल करें. रिसाइकिल मीन्स अगर हमने कोई चीज यूज कर ली है तो हम उसको वापस से पूरी तरीके से डैमेज करके एक तरीके से न्यू चीज बना दें, उसको चेंज कर दें एंड रीयूज इट, और उसको वापस से यूज करने के लिए हम काम में ले लें. देन दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू कंजर्व द resources. Ultimately, it makes the difference because all our lives are linked. हमारी एक दूसरे की जिंदगियां एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड हैं. That means if we will not conserve the resources today, definitely we will have the scarcity, and these resources can get exhaust even, and the future generation may lack these resources. Future generation को ये सब चीजें देखने को भी नहीं मिलेगी. That evening, the children and their friends made packets and shopping bags out of old newspaper, discarded clothes, and basket from bamboo sticks. Now, these are the things of the students are following. The children are following. What children are following? The uses of how to conserve the resources. That is the use of 3 R's. 3 R's means reducing, recycling and reusing. कैसे वो कर रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स, काम में ले रहे हैं? By making the packets and shopping bags out of old newspaper. पुराने न्यूज़पेपर को फेंकना नहीं है, उनको अगेन यूज करके कैसे यूज करें उनको शॉपिंग बैग्स में, बिकॉज nowadays polythene bags are prohibited and it is not good to use polythenes and all. So these newspaper can be reused by making the shopping bags and packets. Discarded clothes and basket from bamboo sticks. So clothes जो पुराने कपड़े हैं उनको भी यूज करके या बैम्बू स्टिक्स को भी यूज करके वो अगेन यूज किया जा सकता है कुछ नई चीज बनाने के, या नहीं तो कुछ नहीं तो शॉपिंग बैग्स वगैरह बनाने के काम में दिया जा सकता है. So we will give a few to every family we know, said Mona. After all, it is for the very good cause, said Mustafa. आपस में they are discussing that by those who are having their newspaper or old clothes and bamboo sticks and all, they can make these important things and they can distribute in their locality, in their community, so that people can have the use of these things and to save our resources and to keep our earth alive. और इस तरीके से हम अपने resources को बचा सकते हैं और हमारी अर्थ को जिंदा रख सकते हैं. I am going to be very careful not to waste paper, said Jessie. Jessie बोल रही है कि अब मैं paper waste नहीं करूंगी. Now everybody is taking the steps to conserve the resources. Many trees are cut down to make paper, she explained. और क्या क्यों वो बचाएगी पेपर, केयरफुल यूज क्यों करेगी? बिकॉज पेपर बनाने के लिए क्या बहुत सारे पेड़ काटे जाते हैं, और अगर पेपर लिमिटेड यूज लिया जाए देन इट विल बी प्रॉपरली safe. The cutting of trees will be stopped. I will see that electricity is not wasted in my house, shouted Mustafa. Mustafa कैसे resource बचा रहा है? Electricity बचा करके. Electricity comes from the water and coal. अब electricity कैसे बनती है? By the fast flowing water. Hydroelectricity is created and because of the use of the coal. And to save these natural resources, the cut out of the needs means a careless use of this electricity is to be stopped. I will make sure that water is not wasted at home. अब water waste नहीं हो, ये आशा ओ लेती है कि मैं ये ध्यान रखूंगी कि मेरे घर में water नहीं waste हो. Every drop of water is precious, and it is very important thing that water is very precious. And especially nowadays in summer season, we always face the scarcity of water. हमेशा हमें ये scarcity of water face करने को मिलती है. So now onwards only, today's date only, and now onwards only, we should try our best to save the water. Together we can make difference, chorus the children. एक साथ बच्चों ने बोला कि yes, if we will together work in the saving of our or conserving of our resources, we can help a lot to save our earth. These are some of the things Mona, Raju and their friends did. What about you? अब ये सब काम मोना, राजू और उनके friends ने करा. Somebody is saving the electricity, somebody is saving the water, somebody is saving the use of wastage of paper and all. So now, according to your point of view, what you can do to conserve our resources, how you are going to help in conserving the resources. Now the question is for you all. The future of our planet and its people is linked with the ability to maintain and preserve the life supporting system that is nature provides. अब future, हमारी planet का future किस पे depend है? It all depends upon us, how we maintain and preserve the life support system, that is the nature which provides us. हमारे पर डिपेंड करता है कि हम कैसे नेचर को, जो नेचर हमें फ्री गिफ्ट देता है, कैसे उसको रिसोर्सेज के रूप में हम उनको कंजर्व करते हैं. देन ओनली वी कैन preserve our life support system, that is our nature. And therefore it is a duty to ensure that. So हमारी ड्यूटी क्या है? What is our duty? You can underline this. It is our duty to all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. सारे जो resources हैं, we should carefully use them. We should fulfill our needs in the limited way. Plus, we should also see that they are reserved for the future generation also. Plus, second point, the diversity of life on Earth is conserved. Diversity of life means the different varieties of life. That is, whether it is plant life, whether it is animal life, whether they are insects or any other creatures on the earth, it should be conserved properly. Third, the damage to the natural environment system is minimized. हम कम से कम अपने नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को डैमेज करें, जहां तक हो सकता है हम अपने नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को प्रिजर्व करके रखें. दैट विल बी द बेस्ट यूज, दैट वी विल do our duty to preserve our nature. Now, some principle for sustainable development. You can underline this. The principle of sustainable development. What are the principles of sustainable development? The principle of sustainable development. First, respect and care for all forms of life. हर form of life को respect और care protection देना. Improve the quality of human being. Human being की quality को बहुत improve करना by improving the abilities. Now conserve the earth vitality and diversity. जो earth में जो different varieties, different टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लोरा, फौना, प्लांट लाइफ, एनिमल लाइफ, या और भी बहुत चीजें हैं, उन सबको हमको कंजर्व करके रखना है नेचर में. मिनिमाइज द डिप्लीशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, कम से कम हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को डिस्ट्रॉय करें, जहां तक हो हम उनको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखें. चेंज पर्सनल एटीट्यूड एंड प्रैक्टिसेस टुवर्ड्स द एनवायरनमेंट. अगर हम किसी तरह का डैमेज कर रहे हैं एनवायरनमेंट को, then we should change our attitudes. We should start working to protect our environment in the best possible way. Then enable communities to care for their own environment. And we should also enhance our community development programs. हम अवेयर कर सकते हैं हमारी कम्युनिटीज को, हमारे ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को, जहाँ पर हम रह रहे हैं, हमारी सोसाइटी को, to take proper care of the environment. I hope all these principles are clear to you, and this comes to an end of the lesson. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The lesson
Yes,
is clear
ma'am.
about each and everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to share
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
question
ma'am.
answers. Question answers in the group. You can do the question answers, all the question answers quickly in one single notebook. एक ही single notebook बनाने को बोला है. First you have done history. ऊपर history लिखा आपने.
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर हिस्ट्री लिखा. अब नेक्स्ट वेरी पेज से आप ज्योग्राफी हेडिंग डालेंगे और ज्योग्राफी स्टार्ट करेंगे. लाइक आई कैन टेल यू, जैसे दिस, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. लाइक दिस यू कैन राइट डाउन ज्योग्राफी द हेडिंग, लेसन 1 एंड रिसोर्सेज. और इस टाइप से आप वेरी शॉर्ट, शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग, ये मेन हेडिंग्स डाल करके आप इसके अंडर में आप काम करेंगे. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All the question answers, do it
Yes, ma'am.
in the very neat
Okay,
way,
ma'am.
with no means spelling mistakes. Be careful about that.
Okay,
Spelling
ma'am.
mistake should not be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Another thing which we have to discuss about, the objective part. Objective part of this lesson is remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which one of the following? This objective part only completed in the book itself. Book में ही करना है. बाकी question आंसर जो PDF में दिया है वो आपको करना है notebook में. Which one of the following is not make substance a resource? Not
C, quantity.
Quantity.
So this will be the
Quantity.
correct answer, quantity. Second, which one of the following is human made resource?
Machines to
Medicines to treat
treat
cancer.
cancer.
Medicine.
Very good. Medicines to treat cancer. ये वाला
Cancer.
correct होगा. Third, complete the statement. Non-renewable resources are, what are
Which have
non-renewable?
limited
Those which have limited stock.
Those which have limited stock.
limited stock.
Clear? So I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Objective
Yes,
part
ma'am.
आप यहीं करेंगे, and the question answers and all you will complete it neatly in the notebooks. I will give it in the PDF form in the group also and student portal also. So that's all for today. In our next class we are going to start with civics. We are going to start with civics. So be prepared
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
civics civics books लेकर बैठना आप लोग. That's all for today. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.